MNMD stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to cover everything around this in this very short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. I mean, it's $7, it's cool, you know. I see this thing kind of stalling here, but definitely a bit movement. Market cap's good, so this is really something tradable. Obviously Nasdaq, because I'm not going to trade on the OTC over the counter market. Nasdaq or New York Stock Exchange especially. It's not like that I haven't traded on the OTC, but like well past it, you know. Previously we had the demand area, I was waiting for a double break to happen, never got it, so I just kind of moved on, and I just kind of abandoned, you know, watching this. But now looking back, I'm happy that I abandoned it, although like we had this beautiful demand area and this would have been freaking amazing, because you can see like it's actually, oh, it's not phenomenal, because this would have been a beautiful buy. I mean, it's perfect, you know, setup. Looking forward, I mean, starting next week, Tuesday, the only thing that I'm looking for, you know, is to doubling down on longs. It's obviously going to be a strategic approach, not just me diving straight in. No. Still following my edge that I've refined over 35,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands of courses, mentors, and documented everything. And the only guy's been doing this like for 4 years and made 35,000 videos, you know. Tell me another one. Like these, only stocks and not just jumping straight in. Like, it really takes time to learn this crap, you know. And people are on this YouTube like thing for like 2 months and they're like, I have a $50 per month Patreon. Buddy, I want to take my eyes out, you know. But yeah, if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.